In a world where indoor air quality has become increasingly crucial to our health and well-being, two titans of air purification stand out from the crowd: Levoit and Honeywell. These industry leaders have been quietly battling for supremacy in our living rooms, bedrooms, and offices, each promising to transform the invisible soup of allergens, pollutants, and particulates we unwittingly breathe into something altogether purer. But beneath the sleek exteriors and whirring fans, which brand truly delivers on its promises? Is Levoit's rising star status justified, or does Honeywell's established pedigree prove unbeatable? Whether you're an allergy sufferer seeking relief, a parent concerned about your family's health, or simply someone who values breathing clean air, the choice between these competitors carries real consequences for both your well-being and your wallet. Let's find out. Coverage area. Levoit and Honeywell air purifiers serve different room sizes effectively, with notable variations across their product lines. Levoit air purifiers typically offer excellent coverage for their size, with the popular Core 300 covering up to 219 square feet, 20 mead, and the Core 200S offering similar coverage capabilities. Honeywell models vary more significantly in their coverage capacity, with the HPA 100 covering up to 155 square feet, while the AirTouch V2 extends to approximately 388 square feet. For those needing to purify larger spaces, Levoit's premium Everest Air model can handle rooms up to 563 square feet, making it suitable for more expansive living areas. When comparing similarly priced models, Levoit generally offers better coverage-to-price ratio, allowing users to effectively purify larger spaces without upgrading to more expensive units. Filtration Technology. The filtration systems employed by these brands represent different approaches to air purification, with each offering distinct advantages. Levoit typically employs a comprehensive three-stage filtration system, consisting of a pre-filter that captures large particles like hair and lint, an H13 true HEPA filter capturing 99.97% of particles as small as 0.3 microns, and a high-efficiency activated carbon filter for neutralizing odors and volatile organic compounds, VOCs. Honeywell models generally use a 2 to 4 stage filtration system that includes a pre-filter odor-reducing combo filter and a true HEPA filter capturing 99.97% of particles at 0.3 microns. Some premium Honeywell models include additional specialized filters like the Nano Silver antibacterial filter found in the AirTouch V2. While both brands effectively filter common allergens like dust, pollen, and pet dander, Levoit systems often include more comprehensive carbon filtration for superior odor removal, while Honeywell sometimes offers specialized filtration options for specific concerns. Performance. Real-world performance testing reveals impressive capabilities from both manufacturers, with slight advantages depending on the specific use case. In controlled testing environments, the Levoit Core 300 reduced PM2.5 from 83.8 to 5.8 micrograms per meter, 93% improvement in a 194 square feet room after 60 minutes, and from 111.1 to 8.8 micrograms per meter, 92% improvement in a 320 square feet room after the same duration. The Honeywell HPA 100 demonstrated similar efficiency, reducing PM2.5 from 99.4 to 5.7 micrograms per meter, 93% improvement in a 120 square feet room after 60 minutes. These results indicate that the Levoit Core 300 performs exceptionally well even in rooms larger than its recommended coverage area, while the Honeywell HPA 100 shows strong results in appropriately sized spaces. Smoke removal test. Smoke removal capabilities vary between models, with both brands showing strengths in different testing scenarios. In standardized smoke box testing, the Honeywell HPA 100 removed all smoke from a test chamber in just 33 seconds, despite having a lower CADR of 100 CFM, 170 mL per hour, demonstrating impressive efficiency for its size. Levoit models generally perform well in smoke tests, with the Core 300 having a smoke CADR of 141 CFM, allowing it to clear smoke more quickly in larger spaces. For serious smoke concerns, such as in areas prone to wildfires or households with smokers, Honeywell's larger models, like the HPA 5300, offer impressive smoke Catar ratings of up to 323, making them particularly effective for this specific air quality challenge. The choice between brands for smoke removal largely depends on the room size and severity of smoke exposure in your environment. Noise level. Operational noise represents one of the most significant differences between these brands, particularly for those sensitive to sound during sleep or work. Noise levels vary significantly between models, with the Levoit Core 300 measuring 40.7 dBA in sleep mode, 46.4 dBA on low, 52.9 dBA on medium, and 64.9 dBA on high. The Honeywell HPA 100 operates at 48.2 dBA on low, notably loud for its lowest setting, and 58.5 dBA on high. Levoit generally offers quieter operation at lower speeds, making their units more bedroom-friendly for light sleepers or nurseries. However, at maximum speed, Honeywell units tend to be quieter than comparable Levoit models, which may be preferable for daytime use in living spaces where the Purifier runs at higher settings. This noise difference represents one of the clearest distinctions between the brands and should be a primary consideration for those particularly sensitive to noise. Energy efficiency. Power consumption varies between models, with implications for both environmental impact and long-term operating costs. Both brands offer Energy Star certified models, but their power requirements differ noticeably. Levoit's Core 300 consumes 45 watts at maximum speed, while the smaller Core 200S uses 37 watts at maximum speed. Their premium Everest Air model uses 69.8 watts at maximum speed, but drops to just 9.85 watts at its lowest setting. Honeywell models typically draw slightly more power, with the HPA 100 consuming 50 watts at maximum speed, and the AirTouch V2 using 47 watts. When comparing similar-sized units, Levoit models typically consume less power while delivering comparable or better performance, making them slightly more energy efficient overall. This efficiency advantage becomes more significant over years of continuous operation, particularly for users who run their air purifiers constantly. Filter replacement. The process and frequency of maintenance represent important practical considerations for busy households. Filter replacement schedules and costs differ significantly between brands, affecting both convenience and long-term expenses. Levoit's Core 300 and 200S models need filter replacements every 6 to 8 months, while their premium Everest Air filters last 12 to 15 months before requiring replacement. Honeywell takes a different approach, with HEPA filters requiring replacement annually and pre-filters needing replacement every 3 months. Levoit's consolidated filter design means fewer total replacements and a simpler maintenance process, while Honeywell's separate pre-filter and HEPA filter approach requires more frequent maintenance but allows for targeted replacements when only one component needs changing. For users who prefer minimal maintenance, Levoit's approach offers greater convenience, while those who don't mind more frequent but simpler filter changes might appreciate Honeywell's component-based system. Additional features. Modern air purifiers offer various convenience features that enhance usability and integration into daily life. Both brands include helpful features across their product lines, with Levoit offering sleep mode with display off function, timer settings, child lock on some models, and smart connectivity on their S-Series models that enables app control and voice assistant integration. Honeywell includes auto mode on select models that adjusts fan speed based on detected air quality, timer functions for scheduled operation, air quality indicators that provide visual feedback on current conditions, and display dimming options for nighttime use. Levoit tends to offer more smart features in their mid-range models, making them more appealing to tech-savvy users, while Honeywell includes more robust air quality monitoring in their premium units. The value of these features depends largely on individual preferences and how you plan to interact with your air purifier. Which is better? The ideal choice between Levoit and Honeywell ultimately depends on your specific needs, preferences, and living situation. Choose Levoit if you prioritize quieter operation, especially in bedrooms, Want lower operating costs with less frequent filter replacements? Need effective performance in rooms slightly larger than the recommended size? Or if smart features and app connectivity are important to you? Opt for Honeywell if you want a longer warranty period for peace of mind, need specialized filtration for specific concerns like smoke or bacteria, prefer separate filter components that can be replaced individually, or if you want a more established brand with a longer history in air purification. Both brands offer excellent air purification capabilities, with Levoit generally providing better value and Honeywell offering more specialized options for specific air quality concerns. For most average users seeking a balance of performance, value, and features, Levoit air purifiers typically offer the better overall package, especially for bedroom use where noise levels are particularly important.